Hi everyone, I'm going to try and demonstrate two things today. First is a new tool, newish tool that I really like on Twitter. It's changed my tweeting life. And second, how much time it can take for me sometimes to do a tweet, because that's the amount of attention and care I think everyone should give to each of your tweets. It's so easy to sometimes do it too quickly. So here we are on the Twitter page, and this is what I'm going to use to show you. Usually I do it on Hootsuite, but this is a little bigger and might be a little easier for you to see. So first thing I'm going to do is I have a shortened URL that I have used. In this case I've used a trim account, tr.im, and I've shortened an article. So I'm just going to go in here and show you. I'm going to paste that in. Once I've pasted that in, then I'm ready to show you how I tweet it. So I write this down. Normally I use Bitly, but here I'm just trying out Trim to see what the statistics that it gives us, what that looks like. So anyway, so here I am, and so I'm going to write. So just watch me as I do this. You're watching the sausage being made. That's not always good. So watch this, please. Too long, so I'm just going to put this here. Already you can see the word count, the number count coming down here. In terms of the characters, we're already at 109, which is too short. My goodness. Okay, so useful at triangulate has changed my tweeting life. That again is too long, so I'm going to edit this and say new DNA info column is about triangulate has changed my Twitter life. For those of you who've taken any classes with me dealing with Twitter, know that I say that 140 characters is not the count that you should be paying attention to. You should be trying to tweet with 120 characters or less so that people can retweet your work. So I'm just going to make that change here. So I have now 34 characters. So I'm aiming to have 20 characters in this field here where it says 34 as of now. So let me see if I've gotten everything I need. The other thing I do need to do is to double check if triangulate is the right address for triangulate. So I'm just going to go in here and type in twitter.com/triangulate, and let's see if that helps. Let's see if it's correct. It is correct. So I'm going to go back to my Twitter page, and as you can see, since we started working on this, a lot of new tweets have come in. They're waiting there. Let me just click on that and you can see a whole bunch of new things. That's a great person to follow, by the way, on Media Shift. And here it's called Media Twit, but that's Mark Glazer's tweets. And there's Twitter folks, Victor Hernandez from CNN, Media Storm, Brian Storm, who many of you know as well. All right. My new DNA info column is about at triangulate, has changed my Twitter life. And I'm going to put in a hashtag for, I don't think it needs a hashtag. I'm trying to think if there's anything else it needs, or is it basically ready. So, and I think it's ready. I want to double check everything. I've gotten a shout out to my column Twitter feed for DNA info. I've gotten a shout out to Triangulate, so they know that I've done this. And I'm saying it has changed my Twitter life, which is true. And this is a column explaining why, what that is and what that means. Meanwhile, let's see, here are some other people that I listen to. And let me just hit update. And there we go. It's on the internet. And I think we're done. I didn't actually have a chance to show you Triangulate, but you will read my column, which is at tr.im/DNASSTWIG. And you will be able to take a look at why I liked it so much. And that is also a way for me to test Screener, SCREENR, which is the service I'm using to record this. Bye.